And we're joined now by attorney and coordinator at Judges Matter, Alison Tilley, to talk further about Judges Matter's call for the suspension and immediate removal, if you will, of Pretoria High Court Judge Phosha Phahlane, who was arrested last night in connection with alleged bribery. Phahlane, along with her son Kagiso Vusiso Lindala and church leader Begumuzi Michael Sandlana, were arrested by the Hawks and made an appearance in the Pretoria Specialized Commercial Crimes Court on charges of money laundering. It's to do with the ongoing succession battle at the IPHC Church. Let's bring into the conversation Alison. Good to see you as always on SABC News. So we don't have a shortage, do we, of shocking news headlines, but this particular one does not do the judiciary's reputation any justice, especially at a time when it's under such intense scrutiny.
No, it's a really shocking development. It's a really sad day, and I'm really disappointed that we end up where we are, talking about how to deal with the situation where there's a criminal charge, against the judge and a judge appearing in the dock. I mean, it really is a very sad moment.
You've called for Judge Phahlane basically to step aside while all of this is unfolding. If she does not choose to do that, and I say that because from her affidavit I've gathered that she's basically said this is part of some sort of vendetta linked to the church succession battle. If she does not step aside voluntarily, whose responsibility is it now to act against her?
Well, it goes directly to the JSC. And it's their job, wherever it appears to them that there are reasonable grounds to suspect that a judge is guilty of gross misconduct, what we would call impeachable gross misconduct. The Commission has to ask the Chief Justice to appoint a tribunal and then advise the President as to the desirability of suspending the judge. So those are the words taken directly from the section, and we can only say that we think that section is immediately of relevance, and the JSC should convene immediately and really advise the Chief Justice on the need for a tribunal, and then, advise the President as to suspension, which we have to say we think is suitable in this situation.
And the judge is yet to stand trial, so we're dealing with allegations at the moment. But do you expect the damage then, as I was saying earlier, to the reputation of the judiciary is going to be long-lasting?
I think the number of conduct matters that we've seen has been tremendously concerning. And we've seen a number, and I think people have really been asking, and quite fairly, is that